Have you ever wondered why it's called dragon chicken? Some say that twisted fried chicken looks like the tail of a Chinese dragon. Others believe it's just brilliant Indo-Chinese marketing at its finest. Either way, one thing's for sure, it's bold, spicy, and absolutely irresistible. We start with boneless chicken breast sliced into thin 2-inch strips to tenderize the chicken and to help it absorb all the saucy goodness later. We will use a classic restaurant trick known as the velveting. Sprinkle a pinch of baking powder over the chicken and add just enough water to coat. Mix it all well and let the chicken sit for about 20 minutes. This breaks down the protein slightly, keeping the meat juicy and soft even after deep frying. After the rest, rinse the chicken pieces gently and drain them well. Try to get rid of as much excess water as possible. This will help the batter stick better and fry more evenly. Now to the drained chicken, add salt to taste, a pinch of MSG, white pepper powder for the subtle heat, ginger paste and garlic paste, 1 whole egg and a spoonful of sesame oil. Then for the crisp coating, add a mix of all-purpose flour and some corn flour. Mix everything together until the chicken strips are well coated and no part is left bare. Heat oil in a kadhai and once it's hot, carefully lay each piece of chicken into the oil one by one. This keeps them from sticking together and ensures every strip fries up perfectly. Work in batches and fry on medium heat until the chicken turns golden brown and crunchy. Then take them off and set them aside for now. Now let's make the signature dragon sauce. For this, in a bowl, combine few spoonful of red chili sauce, some ketchup and 1 spoon of light soya sauce. Next, heat a couple of spoons of oil in a seasoned kadhai or wok. Once the oil is hot, add 2 dried red chilies, sliced green chili, adjust according to your heat preference, and a generous amount of chopped garlic. Saute on high heat until the garlic turns golden and aromatic. Then add in sliced onions and bell peppers. Stir fry just until the onion starts turning translucent. Then season with little salt, another pinch of MSG and pour in the prepared sauce mixture. To bring everything together, add a splash of water and a small amount of corn flour slurry. This will thicken the sauce and help it cling beautifully to the fried chicken. Now add the crispy chicken pieces back into the kadhai and toss everything together. Make sure every piece is coated in that glossy, spicy gravy. Once done, serve it hot. Finished with handful of chopped spring onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, dragon chicken. It's crunchy, saucy, spicy and utterly satisfying. Thanks for watching and until next time, happy cooking!